I tell you what, man, I just come out to record and look, you can already see it, the blue RAV4 Voodoo Blue trying to steal my spotlight. It feels like we haven't done one of these intros in a while, so even though I do that for the intros, I actually pick up the phone and pick up the keys, put them back in my pocket, because it gets hot, and then when I go to use my phone after I'm done recording, the phone is super hot, and it's like, phone is close to overheating, will be usable in like 10 minutes whenever it cools off. Yeah. So it was fun, it was cool at first, but then I learned my lesson, and yeah, we don't do that anymore. What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we're in my favorite off-roading location. Who said the SR5 couldn't get dirty? I'm gonna off-road as much as I can, but this is all the off-road that I'm doing. It counts. It has to count for something. Nonetheless, I got a comment from a subscriber the other day, and he was like, Aing, you're so crazy, you're so inspirational how you can do all these modifications on your own. I would never ever do it myself. Now, I appreciate the comment, and I appreciate that you think that I'm crazy, but I'm not all that savvy. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about 3 modifications that I would not even dare to do by myself. Starting with number 1. Number 1 is a definite no, and I don't know of anybody who I've seen do it on their own. Now that I'm thinking about it, let's head back here. These tires, they're stock, they're nice and dandy, whatever. But, you know, when I get the urge, I'm gonna lift it, bigger tires. And whenever you lift it, put bigger tires, everyone likes to bring up the same old thing. Aing, are you gonna re-gear the truck? Listen, buddy, I don't know. When I had my Tacoma lifted, I didn't feel like I needed a re-gear. Maybe a pedal commander would have helped, a sprint booster, something like that. Like right before I sold the truck, I went to drive it just to use it a little bit more, and I didn't feel like I needed it. It felt plenty powerful, the gears were perfectly fine, but a lot of people ask me, are you gonna re-gear when you lift it? Are you gonna do that? Are you gonna do this? Re-gear is definitely one of the ones I don't think I'm ever gonna do, and if I were to do it, I definitely wouldn't do it myself. I do know some of my subscribers have done the re-gear. Let us know, is it really that much of a difference? Number 2 is one that I was debating on very much. Like on the last truck, I almost spent, I think it was like $800 to do the whole thing, or maybe $1,000 on a tune. But I wasn't just gonna buy the tune from somebody, because for me, that scares me. I'm very skeptical about taking my $40,000 truck to meet up with someone in a Wawa 4 hours away from me so that he can plug his computer into my truck and do something. And then after, I'm just supposed to pay him and tell him, oh, my truck's a lot faster. The tune. I was about to buy the system to tune the truck. I got really scared because, well, when you tune the truck, I feel like it does more than we actually understand or think. I feel like Toyota has designed this truck to work a certain type of way. And well, there was a video that I recently watched that kind of stopped me from modifying. Toyota has spent millions of dollars, okay, millions of dollars to perfect this truck, to make it the best mid-size pickup truck in the world. Why would I go spend $1,000 extra to try to retune this truck? Some people say it's better, some people say it's worse. My thing is, I know this truck can get me 500,000 miles. I know it for a fact with stock tuning. But what if I do a tune and I only get like 100,000? I don't know if I'll ever put 100,000 miles on this truck, but in the short term, I don't want it to cause any problems. At the end of the day, the tune maybe isn't even all that worth it, especially with the new transmission update. It works perfectly fine. So that's another one. I'm definitely scared of the re-gear. I'm definitely scared of doing the tune, and I'm definitely scared of those planes. I'm not actually scared. It was just there, and I don't know. But I've never been on a plane. All right, I'm gonna have to sit you down for this one. Yeah, there we go. What a shot, Aing. Oh, I just can't move. So I'm gonna have to talk like this. No, this is very awkward. Number 3, I'm definitely scared about. This one has me the most concerned because this one is the one I'm most probable of doing. That's the sound system. On this truck, on the last truck, I was so close to getting a sound system. I think it was like the OEM Plus or something like that. I really want a sound system, like really bad. I love listening to music in my truck and just driving, cruising, listening to music. It's like my favorite thing to do. Sandy's Corolla is better at playing music, and well, I think the sound system is one of the things I'm really scared about installing. I think I may buy it and then have someone install it because of one thing. I have a really big fear of wiring and electrical things going wrong. I think nowadays electrical problems are the worst thing to deal with, and I think that's what most people deal with when they get new vehicles. And I'm not a fan. I know you're gonna have to be unplugging things, connecting things, and well, what if the Tacoma just bugs out. And I may sound completely uneducated, and I am, but what if it pulls too much power or throws out too much power? I don't think it throws any power, but it just scares me that, well, if I do something like that, it's definitely not covered under warranty, and it's just gonna go down the drain, and I'm gonna have to pay so much money to get it fixed, all so I could listen to music when I can just put on like some AirPods or something. Do you guys have an aftermarket sound system? A lot of people do, a lot of people don't. Some people have the JBL. How does that sound? Nonetheless, those are the 3 things that I am absolutely fearful of installing: the re-gear, a tune, and a sound system. Honestly, I never thought I could do a lift kit. After a bunch of bruised up fingers, a bunch of scares, we lifted my last truck, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do mine again this year. Psych. Nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. I don't know what that noise is because there's like not even a road over there. Oh, it's a plane. I'm so sorry. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. Now time to enjoy my off-roading. All right, that's enough.